Hi, we're happy to welcome Christian Connors. He's the CEO of Shooter Detection Systems. And Christian, at this year's show, you've expanded your portfolio to now include a wireless, battery-powered gunshot detection solution. Can you tell us why you thought this was a needed offering for your company, given the success you've had with your traditional PoE solution, and how this differentiates you in the marketplace?
Sure, appreciate it, Steve. So the PoE device, as you said, has been widely adopted, Fortune 100 companies, airports, things like that. One thing we did notice, though, is some of our K through 12 customers, the installation cost specifically was a challenge for them. So by coming out with an extremely similar performance system that's battery wireless powered, it reduces the cost to the customer by almost 50%.
So what kind of infrastructure cost savings will your end users realize by deploying the wireless gunshot solution detection? And when you're putting this among the marketplace out there, how is this going to be able to be more cost effective for them?
Sure, so one of the things when we looked at wireless from day one is we wanted to make sure it was highly secure, encrypted, and we would never use things like low frequencies, like garage door open frequencies, things like that. So we actually did it with a LoRa network, a long range network, so it's not Wi-Fi, highly reliable, extremely long distance, 256 encrypted AES. So those are the things our customers are asking for. It wasn't just the battery wireless powered, it was also they wanted that security of knowing the system's going to work, similar to what the PoE device does, and also be secure on the network.
Was there an issue on total cost of ownership type things, and bring it into the infrastructure when budgets were being considered? Does that make it more affordable?
It's always a consideration. Our corporate customers that we're doing, we have some deployments, 3,000, 5,000 sensors at a time. Most of those customers are not interested in any security wireless system, so we're not breaking that. We really believe the market is for our mid-tier customers, some of our retail customers, and of course schools.
One of the biggest concerns with any wireless technology is the reliability. So what have you done to ensure that this is not going to be an issue with your solution?
Sure, it's a critical item because this is a life safety device. So when we looked at the wireless technology we're going to use, we actually picked something that the oil and gas industry uses, and it's highly reliable overseas. So this actually monitors, this technology does things like monitors all of their sensors at oil rigs and things like that. So they use it for critical information, so we also are using it for that. Again, 256 encrypted, extremely long range, and right under sub-gigahertz frequency.
Have you seen the market for gunshot detection grow and evolve since your technology first hit the market? And what are some of the drivers that are moving this technology forward?
Sure, when we created the market, we had worked with Iraq and Afghanistan. We protect a lot of critical infrastructure in the United States with our outdoor system. So we started the market in 2014. So we have seen some competitors come up. Our growth rate this year is basically what we predicted, about 400%. Some of the orders we're getting for one customer are as big as we did all together 2 years ago.
What's when you look at a 3 to 5 year plan, where do you see the market expanding to?
I think the market continues to adopt with adoption of the technology. Even all the competitors and us have only probably scratched the surface of 0.01% of the total addressable market. We do have some more things in R&D that we're working on, but we're not going to talk about them right now.
Thanks, Christian. We appreciate your time.
Steve, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.